welcome back. Yes, I'm rushing again because it's me, okay? I procrastinate. We're gonna be honest and call a spade a spade. I know what my flaws are. Y'all will be okay. Where can I throw these so they're not on camera? Y'all, it's hot. It is hot, it is hot, it is hot, and I cannot. Me and the heat. The AC is on in my apartment, so you know it's bad. Actually just made it colder because I've been running around doing stuff, and that's like the worst thing. Anyways, that's not what we're here for. That's not what we're here for. This is not pointless talks. This is pointless unmolding. So, oh, this already in frame. Let me come around, tie up my hair a little bit, and get to it. Okay, from the theme you can see. Actually, yeah, let me just do the hard one first. Is this the hard one? Is it though? Is it the hard one? Everything looks so dark. Okay. Ooh, watch something not fly. Turn this off so they don't get stuck in there. All right. So, as you can see from the theme, we got red, black, and green going here. Today's the 20th. These weren't ready yesterday, but thankfully I have a Juneteenth event today and tomorrow. Yeah, today and tomorrow I have 2 more Juneteenth events to vend, so I'll put these on display. This is not as dark as I anticipated, which I don't like, but it did come out properly as far as like the color though, because I wanted this area here to be not black. Damn, I think if the black came out more, it would have shown through a little bit more. Yeah, but it came out good though. I like the, you know, it's giving kind of tie-dye-ish. I was trying to get this one air bubble out, but she was persistent. But okay, which one's the next hardest one? This. All right, I cannot see my screen as I'm recording, so if this is not in frame, I apologize. That's why I keep like peeking. This is bright as hell. I got like all these lights on. I'm hot, I'm sweaty. I need to go wash my parts and then run up the street to this event. I'm vending at the Chattahoochee Works tonight. It's what, Friday? Yeah, Friday. So they having their thingamabobber. And yeah, oh my gosh. All right. I would have done this earlier, but I was cleaning Leo's tank, so that took some time. Ah! Good catch. Okay. All right, so here we are. Same thing. It was the same mix, so they're all, well, actually lie. This part, this black was a separate mix. This black was mixed with the black in the incense holder, but the green and the red were the same mix, so that's why it's a little light in color. Damn, I wish I had used it as much, because I'm always like, oh, I'm doing too much, I'm using too much black, I'm using too much pigment. Obviously I'm not, so we're gonna take that as a lesson. Trial and error here, girl. Trial and error. All right, just simple round black, red, and green coasters. These are thick though, so they're gonna come over this. I like how it has like a little thing in the inside. Can y'all even see what's happening? I don't know. I don't like this unmolding video. Everything seems so, yeah, see, it's like, yeah. But see, when you put them in the, I'll put the back, my hand behind it. I don't know, whatever. When you stack them up though, it looks darker. And I'm actually very here for that. So, yeah. Okay. All right. Actually, I'm gonna change my camera angle so this don't look so bad. I realized it didn't look so bad. It was a camera screen that was too dark because it's me. But anyways, easy peasy. See how this one's like dark, but the rest of it is like kind of see-through. But and it's not just because it's condensed. It's because I mixed that dark. But yeah, we got green rim, red in the center. Well, red base, black center. And I'm stacking them up like this because I don't want the resin to catch onto the back because it's going to take time for me to clean it, and I'm trying to run out of here now. Golden white. Yeah. I love this. Like I love this because I made sure I did it the right way, you know, and I don't have to go over this at all because it's smooth. All of my gold is in there how it's supposed to be. I even got some on the back here. This is a good, very good mix. All right, come around so they can look on my face for 2 seconds. Sit on. Oi. All right. Wipe off my eyebrow. Anyways, we got this. Let me stack these babies over here. Can y'all see that? Yes, y'all can. Oh well, I got all types of crap going on in the background. Scissors, yes, this stuff. Boy, this was not it. Anyways, we got this one here, and this one here, and then we have this and this. So yeah, 4 new items for the table. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, subscribe to all things Pointless. Check out the website pointlesstalks.com. You can find my crafts, merchandise, podcast, everything is there at pointlesstalks.com. And just like everything else we do here at Pointless Talks, Pointless creates all things pointless. Whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye!